welcome back to my channel. This is Leah Garby. Today is our 15th day of constructing a two-story octagon shape native structure. It was once one of our gazebo here in the entrance in Grandview Cottages here in Negros, and we decided to convert this structure into an accommodation because we only have few cottages for rent for overnight stay. So Brian's doing the upstairs, working with the woods, while I'm doing the welding for the bottom part section of the two-story octagon shape. So Brian just checking the water level hose, if there's still water in there, because I shifted from the payag to here, and yeah, I didn't check. So we have the umbrella up today because yesterday we were working here, and yeah, it's extremely hot. Look at it. There's no breeze at all. So when there's no breeze, the humidity is just so high. It's a killer. I can hear a little plane out there. Okay, so this is the floor. It's an octagon shape, and yesterday, well, last night, we sealed the floor, and yeah, we had rain last night, so it didn't get to we don't have enough time for it to dry, so some of it get washed off. So yeah, we have to redo it again later. You probably can see there's a little bit of a wrinkle there. Yeah, that's soft. Water get into it, so it's not a very good, sad to say, it's supposed to be a marine ply, but it's not a very good marine ply. This one, it's the same one we got for the villa with sea view, that there, the A-frame villa. The very good quality one we got was for that one, and we purchased it off City Hardware in Dumaguete City, and that's a very good one, a very good quality, I mean, compared to this one.
Go?
Okay, the moment of truth.
Oi, you're scaring pigeon. You ready to go?
Maybe,
Mr. Pigeon?
Maybe he's ready to go. We're going to release this pigeon. 3 days ago he crashed in here. Maybe he was flying from far away and he got tired.
There's your wings. Your wings look okay. You look a bit skinny. Okay. You had enough fun here?
He has a tag. May I see the tag pa on its foot? Yeah, I think someone owns it.
Is that a phone number?
Huh? Phone number?
Hmm.
Oh, okay. 0
Take a photo.
03, it's video. 03775581-N. Ah, okay. It's not a phone number, it's serial number for the pigeon. Okay, we say goodbye to you. You're going back to wherever you came from.
Okay.
Hope this guy can fly. I don't know if it's a male or female.
You want to fly, huh?
Did you let? Oh, okay. He's just sitting on your
Come back here
hand.
if you want. You come back anytime, okay?
Brian just talking to the pigeon.
You're welcome to come back. Ready? Off you go.
Oh no!
Oh,
Oh shit!
Ah.
No Yoda, no Yoda.
Okay.
Okay, he's still not well then. Okay, we're
To release.
taking you back to the cage.
Okay.
Maybe he have an injured foot. It seems like it's his foot, but if he have problem with his foot, it should still be able, huh?
He might have hit a power line or something.
Uh-oh. Maybe we get Nori to clean the cage. That one. Well, I suppose we have to try again next week, huh? Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah, big bad Yoda.
Oi, keep the bird alone.
So all I need to do for today, we'll finish the bracing. Probably can see already. I'm gonna put there. I'll just let Brian to cut the steel and also to mark where the steel goes for the bracing. So yeah. By the way, guys, you might think that oh, what are we doing, you know? By the way, guys, Brian is a carpenter by trade back in Australia, so he's a sort of an engineer. Is it right, Pa? What? That's what you told me yesterday. You're like, why are you telling me what to do? So it's also sorting out my the welding machine before I'll use it. It ran out of cord wire. What do you call it? Wire?
Flux core.
So it ran out of flux core wire yesterday, so he's gonna put it on for me. And
you plug in the, is it plugged in up there?
no.
Where's the snippers?
Yesterday, what was the size of the flux core I was using? That was only is it 9?
0.8.
0.8, and this one is 1 millimeter. Order it online. Same with the welding machine.
Grab that and push it in, so when I line this up,
Okay.
push
You
it.
tell me when.
No. Back it off a little bit. Whoop, push, push, push.
There you go. Should I straighten this? Okay.
Shit.
Uh-oh.
Different length. We're just finishing it off. We've put some extra bracing in to support the bottom section. There's the top section. So it's a doorway to the bathroom. We put extra bracing in to give it support. There's plenty of bracing. Some capiz windows going in there. It will be having a roof the same as this gazebo up there with mahogany rafters.
You need to buy me more gloves, right?
Yeah.
Look, even my welding glove.
Oh man.
Yeah.
Your boss won't buy you new gloves.
Yeah, look. Oh.
Alrighty. Very good.
Yeah, just gonna finish sanding. There's not much to sand.
Some very nice welds there.
Just needs to sand a little bit. This is not a very good quality steel, this one, compared to this one.
Oh, it's just a smaller thickness. Yeah.
Just good enough for bracing.
Yep.
Okay, I'll just continue by.
Okay, I'll go up the ladder and see if there's no wobble. There's no wobble in the floor. There's our view. Gonna have a glass window there, pane window, capiz windows, plywood floor. So you walk around here on the balcony, and through the doorway here, double glass doors, and you enter and lets you view from the bed. The bed will be about here, so you'll be sitting on your bed looking out at that view. Put in an extra window for this side of the bed, the louvers there. But yeah, it's all looking very strong and good. I've put bolts all the way through all the corners, bolted all the corners together, and on top I've put steel plates joining all the timbers together. Okay guys, catch you later. Mary's bloody licking me. Get your tongue out of my ear. Mary.
That's not Mary.
Oh, it's Greggy. Bloody hell. Frickin' I got Greggy trying to chew me. This one trying to eat me. Oh my god. Mary sticking her tongue in my ear. Oh my god. Help. Help.
What's wrong with these dogs? I think it's their first time to see us lying on the ground. I think Mary's entertaining them to go somewhere else.
That's pretty relaxing.